Today, we are diving into the biggest kitchen customization trends of 2025. And spoiler alert, it's not about copying what your neighbor just did. It's about personalizing your kitchen so it reflects your lifestyle, your vibe, and yes, even your secret obsessions. Like, who knows? Maybe you're obsessed with like forest green cabinets. And if that is you, no judgment, because green is my favorite color and I am dying to have a whole green room. And I can tell you, when your space is actually designed with intention and not just for looks, but to make you feel something, it's an entire different vibe. It's like living inside of artwork itself that actually works. You've got beauty and function. That's when your home actually hits different. It just feels different. And you won't just love your kitchen, you'll actually love it so much you'll never want to leave. My name is Kerstin, kitchen designer and founder of The Material Bar, and I am obsessed with helping you design a kitchen that actually works for your life and looks dang good while doing it. From cabinet hacks to remodeling tips, I'm here to help you discover the possibilities. Some of my ideas might sound a little wild to you, blame it on my German roots, but we're all about pairing efficiency with bold looks around here. And let me guess, you've walked into 5 kitchen showrooms and every kitchen looks like it belongs in the magazine that you don't really subscribe to. But what if your kitchen actually looked like you lived in it? Well, in 2025, customization is a lot more than just choosing brass versus matte black hardware. It's about making intentional choices in the layout, in the color of the materials, and the overall function. That supports your daily life and your aesthetic. It's not just about the looks, guys. This is what I'm trying to tell you. So let's dive right into it. And the number one thing that we always want to talk about is bespoke cabinetry. There is a lot more these days when it comes to cabinetry, and forget the whole one size fits all. Customized cabinetry is now more tailored than your favorite pair of jeans, guys. We're seeing built-in pet feeding stations. Yes, your dog deserves a design moment too. And think of your moves. That's what I always think about, is what are my moves when I am preparing my dog, when I am preparing his food, the storage of supplements and things like that. I'm all into natural healing and I love to have natural supplements for my dog. So how am I storing them in a beautiful way that doesn't just look aesthetically pleasing, but also helps me be organized and be functional in the moment when I do it? Coffee bar nooks. You can hide things, you can reveal them when you are ready. A lot of times coffee, for example, there's a little spoon. I'm not going to wash that spoon every single time I use it. I like to keep it there, but what if I want to hide the entire station? I just maybe have a mechanism where I can hide it. Smart drawer systems. You have some smart drawers for tech. You can have smart drawers and storage options when it comes to those messy and chaotic Tupperware pieces. It's those kind of things that we want to look into. At the Material Bar, most of our cabinet brands are actually made right here in Washington State, anything from semi-custom to full custom cabinetry. And you can choose between those. And I can tell you, with all the options that we have, we typically have the right fit for about any project. Next on the list, bold color is in. 2025 is giving us finally permission to have fun again. No more 50 shades of grayish. Color is back, guys. And I just have to go off the beaten path for a second. If you know me, I am very much into real estate investments and I am always looking at homes for sale. I came across this house with this kitchen for sale, guys. I mean, come on. I think we've reached the point of no return. We took the whole neutral colors thing and white on white on white way too far, okay? I mean, look at this. It is super sterile. I personally feel like I'd be depressed waking up to this. Color is beautiful and the entire design industry wants to see more color in people's homes. Please don't be afraid of color. You're actually supposed to have some color. It's okay. Think about deep forest greens or purples, dusty blues, warm clay tones, and yes, even two-toned or heck, even three-toned kitchens are having a hot moment. If neutral still feels safer to you, no worries. There are subtle ways to bring color in through your island color, tile patterns, or you can spice things up in a monochromatic manner with textures instead of colors. But please do something. And then we have layouts that fit real life. Say goodbye to the triangle rule that doesn't work when two people are in the kitchen. And I have to say, a lot of these homes that we're building these days in new construction, we are way larger than when the original kind of guidelines were established for the kitchen triangle. So, and a lot of times you have these really big kitchens. Those kitchen triangles really don't work, okay? But it is about personalizing the space and understanding how are you and your family going to use this space. Do you host? Let's talk oversized islands and hidden prep zones, or even hidden butler's pantries. I think layout is actually one of the biggest overlooked problems in most homes. And here's another side note for you. Architects, if you're working on your new construction home, you're working on your plan with your architect, you should be simultaneously starting to work with your cabinet designer or kitchen designer, because the architect, they work off the standards. They'll put in a couple of standards. You might be telling them, hey, I want, let's say, a really oversized refrigerator. They might already start adding that into your design. But there's going to be a lot of nuances that only the cabinet designer can tell you that will give you a lot of input on your layout that can already affect your plan. So I do recommend new construction. You want to start working with your interior designer and your cabinet designer right from the start. You hate clutter? You'll love appliance garages and drawer dishwashers to get rid of, then hide that clutter. Got kids? Add a snack drawer they can actually reach without climbing your counters. Again, we want to know who is living in the home. Who are we actually designing this home for? This is the year of layouts that fit your routine and not just the resale value. Hey, and if you like this, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'd love to see in the comments below which one of these tips is the most important one to you. Next on the list, mixed materials, maximum vibe. We're done with matchy-matchy. The trend is all about layering textures and finishes like a designer outfit. Matte black hardware on warm white oak, or perhaps terrazzo tile paired with polished concrete counters. Textured backsplashes that potentially remind you of things. For me personally, I'm one of those people that's obsessed with palm trees. Yes, I even have a tattoo of a palm tree. I love palm trees, right? I love the Mayan kind of history, so anything with the jungle. So I'm naturally very attracted to a lot of those patterns. And if I can find a tile that kind of mimics that, I will immediately be attracted to that. It will make me really happy. So I will personalize my spaces to have parts and pieces in them that will get me excited. Mixing materials adds soul. And if your kitchen doesn't have soul, what's the point? How's your food gonna taste? Last but not least, functionality is the new luxury. And look, luxury isn't just marble countertops or high-end appliances anymore. Real luxury in 2025 is everything is soft close, okay? Trash pullouts that actually work. Zones for prep, cooking, snacking, coffeeing, working from the kitchen. I mean, whatever you're doing from your kitchen, okay? Customization should feel like your kitchen knows you, like it was built with your chaos in mind. And from a personal side note, during the last 4 years, I have moved a lot. I've invested into properties, and every single time I've remodeled the space for myself and my dog to live in it how I think I'm going to be using this space. I mean, down to which shelf am I going to sit my Alexa, because I like to come home and just listen to Frank Sinatra. And, you know, all those things, like that's how I want to live. And I want to set the scene in the easiest way possible when I come home. So if you're dreaming up a kitchen remodel in 2025, remember this. This is the year where it is not about what's trending. It's about what is true to you. If you're ready to explore bold design, build real function into your space, and have a lot of fun doing it, come visit us at the Material Bar showroom in Lakewood, Washington, or head on over to our website where we have a lot of freebies and tips to support you on your kitchen remodeling journey, no matter where you're located at. If you have any comments or questions about this video, please make sure to leave them below, and I will see you in the next video. And remember, we do not do boring kitchens around here, ever.